My Assorted Brands haul is here. I told you guys I placed a giant order on their Black Friday sale, and it's all here. I have a couple boxes. Things kind of trickled in, and it's all here so I can share it with you. And so there was a couple things that were mixed into boxes of like my items, things that were returned to me that didn't sell. So I'll show you those really quick because I already saw them. So the first thing I picked up, I grabbed it because of the style. It was a really pretty wrap maxi dress, and the fabric content on this was lyocell, which tends to be a fabric that like more sustainable, ethical brands use. And sure enough, this is by Mango, but it's their committed collection, and they use sustainable fabrics for everything in that collection. Mango isn't necessarily a brand that I typically pick up, but I probably in the thrift store would have picked this up based on style. And it looks like their committed line does do better. The next thing is another maxi dress. I really liked the print on this, and it had a lot of cool detail, like tassel detail. Like the sleeve has a bunch of tassels on it, and then it has this like quilted yoke. This is by the brand Fabric. It is also new at tags. The tag has like a little bell on it. It's a cute detail. Anyway, this is also, I think, like an ethical, like sustainable brand. Don't quote me on that. I got to do more research on this, but it's really pretty. I think I'll keep this regardless. I got to do some more research. I think they retail for about like 80 bucks. So it's not going to be a crazy sale on that one, but I think it's a really cool style. I picked this one up. It was new with tags. It has this cool like frayed detailing on the sleeves and the hem, and it was new with tags. And then I checked out the rest of that seller's closet. That's something I do sometimes, is scroll down and it'll say other items from this closet, and you can kind of see if they have like other high-end pieces, and she did. So I grabbed this, and I have no idea. I'm gonna have to do some research here. This one just came yesterday, so I haven't had a chance to look it up. Inside, we just have a little size tag, and it's a 3. So like I said in my last video, a lot of luxury brands will do vanity sizing, and that's what I'm assuming that 3 is. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to do some poking around on this one. Yeah, there's no writing on this tag, so we will see. That one might be returned. It is returnable. And then this was not an assorted brand, but I wanted to share it. How pretty are these? These are Ted Baker. I picked these up for like, I think $11 with my coupon. And I think these sat around because they were listed as a size 4. Well, they're a UK size 4, which is actually a US like 7 or something. Don't quote me on that, but UK sizing is smaller than US sizing, and it's totally different than European sizing. So that's something to keep in mind. So I just thought I would share that with you, because nobody bought these because they thought they were like an itty bitty small size. So I got to snag them. A really good deal. Okay, let's get into the stuff that I haven't seen. I'm so excited. Okay, I got my iPad. I'm just like in my sweats. I've been cross-listing to eBay all day, so forgive me. All right, I got my iPad here just in case I need to look things up. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. This is, okay, I was like, oh man, I already know this isn't a good thing. These are returns. These are just items that I sent in that I got for free from somebody, and they sent them back to me. They didn't sell. I'm glad, because I was like, that is not exciting. We'll have to split it into 2 videos, but that's okay. Because I have a whole box here. Let's hope that's what's in here. Okay, no, this is, okay. This feels very nice. What do we have here? Okay, this looks promising, but it's not a brand I'm familiar with. Rec Paris. What was the fabric content on this? Okay, this is another one. This was a size 3, and the fabric content on this was wool and cashmere, and it has like leather detail right here. Ooh, and it feels like actual leather. Okay, let's look it up. This is the fun part. Interesting. What I'm seeing looks vintage. Interesting. Okay, so I'll show you what I'm looking at. I'm not really saying much. For whatever reason, I brought up Burberry, probably the cashmere wool blend. George's Wreck. It looks like this one retails for $1,300. Okay. Let's see. Let's go to Poshmark. I will definitely keep this for myself if it's not a good resale. Comps look pretty all over the place. So we've got vintage, 50, 100, 85. These are like currently listed, 324, 49, 28. I'm seeing a lot of vintage, 202. I have been obsessed with vintage lately, so I'm not mad about that. But the tag doesn't strike me as vintage at all, so I don't know. This one sold for 60, 35. Interesting. So we have an inconclusive item here. Not mad at it. I love the quality on that one. Okay, what is next? Okay, another brand. I have no idea. I don't even know how I would say this, but I got this because look at the print on it. It's so cool. It's like deer out in like a snowy field, and it's kind of like cropped. I just really liked the details on this. It's just polyester, but they do have a website on here, so let's see. Oh boy, that's not what I wanted. What does this say? IOHLL. Oh boy, okay. So I'm gonna have to do some more research, but based on style alone, honestly, like this is a dope shirt. I really like the detail on this. Here's the back. If you're interested in any of these items, send me a DM. Okay, what do we have here? Interesting. Amy Winehouse. I did not even know that she had a brand. It's like this asymmetrical, like long knit dress. And the fabric content tag has been cut out, so let's see. Okay, this is another mystery. So I've been doing some looking around, and I'm gonna need to do some more because I have no idea, but that might be one that I'm gonna return because I can't find much information on it. Let's hope there's something good in here for me to show you guys. Ooh, I like the tag on this. I just thought the detail on this maxi dress was so beautiful. Look at the sleeve. It's like a balloon sleeve. Really cool embellishments on it. And the front, again with the tassels, and this is the tag. So this is 11 March. Okay, designed by New York-based Ukrainian stylist Roberta Mishenko. Okay, yep. Okay, here we go. All right, this video isn't totally a bust. Looks like this dress was sold at Revolve. Okay, I'm stoked that I didn't make this whole video about finding assorted brands, and then everything I got was a bust. Let's see. This is a little one. It's a little one. Why did I say that? It's a short one. Retails for $7.59. Oh my gosh. So the one that I see listed right now is Recloth Collections listing. That's so funny. As soon as I saw that picture, I was like, oh my gosh, it's Recloth Collection. I love her. Follow her on Instagram, please. Let's see. So is that seriously all that's available? Okay. Yeah. Wow. So she has hers up. And then soles look like $250, $175, $100, $204, $250, $175. So I'm stoked about this. And I don't see any in this colorway. So hopefully that is good for me. Yay. Okay, we have a winner. What is next? This one I've been looking at for a while. I liked the pattern on it. Interesting. with the tag. It's just like a bunch of really small writing. This doesn't have an RN number in it. It's 100% cotton, but it is. But if you know what this label is, let me know. But it's got a cool, like, kind of abstract palm leaf print on it. And then the back has these, like, pleats. Really cool, like, midi length dress, shirt dress. Oh, here's the belt for that March 11 dress. Okay, oops, this is what's taking up most of the box. Okay, we just have this and one more item. This I'm assuming is vintage. I really just liked a hooded suede coat. Let's see. Yep, vintage. I love it. Oh, we've got some damage in the pocket. It's kind of frayed. I don't know if that's a deal breaker, but it is something. I might return it to them. And if it's damaged, you can return things without the fee. Okay, so here's the tag inside. It's fully lined. Patricia Berry, Brown Hills, Greenboro, North Carolina, genuine leather. So the tag's hanging off. Here's what it looks like. That's a cool coat. And the last thing, oh my gosh, okay, these are so fun. I do have another package coming though, so we'll do this again. Okay, and then this guy, I like the looks of the tag. Sherry. And what does it say? The sherrying maid. Interesting. Okay, here's what I'm talking about, the interior tag. Let's see. Okay, so I looked this up and I don't see anything about it, but I thought it was a cool style, so I will have to do more research on this as well. So this is not uncommon for me when I place a big Assorted Brands order, that it's a mix of things that I'm like stoked about and things that I'm still like, what are you? So some of it I might return. I think all of these items were returnable. Some of it I might keep for myself, and some of it might be a good flip. So definitely I think everything I got is made worth it by this super cool March 11 dress. Keep an eye out for this tag. This is an extra small if you're interested, and thankfully they did send me the belt with it. But yeah, that is everything for this video. I'm like shaking my table, sorry. That is everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see more hauls like this. I'm looking over because I did go to the thrift store the other day. I haven't been going. I live in Washington State. We're in another lockdown. And so I happened to be out. I needed to drop packages off at the post office. And so I popped in for probably like 20 minutes and got several things. So let me know if you want to see that little haul. And I'll see you guys in my next video very soon.